So this is the pound dollar analysis for Thursday, the 26th of October. Now, let's just have a look at what happened with prices on the 25th before we do the analysis for the 26th. So on the 25th, we can see this pretty large candle here, which is likely news related. Yep, 9 a.m. UK time. So we likely have had some data release at 9:30, and this pretty strong candle out of this range that we had here. This is a case of the market waiting for the news to come out. First move is a fake move usually. A move down in prices before we've had the strong buying on the data release, and we've had a continuation upwards. Now, let's just grab the pen. So we did come down. We didn't come down all the way into this 30.93 where we did see support before, and we also saw we also had a major support in and around. I think it was 30.84, was it? I'm just going to have a look at the weekly time frame. Let's just make sure we get that right. And so it was on the weekly chart, wasn't it? So on the weekly chart, let's just see. We did mention the 20 period moving average has been acting as support, and let's just see if it was the 20 period moving average. What is this? Yes, we do have the 20 period moving average sitting in around the 30.91 level. So we've got the weekly pivot at 30.93, and we've also got the 20 period moving average sitting around the high 30.80s and the 30.90 level. So as we did have some major support in and around down here, but prices didn't actually go all the way down there. You see, prices did find support not at that level. We had a bit of consolidation for the news release came out, was positive for the pound, and as we can see on the chart, it's pretty clear there wasn't much of a reaction in around the 400 and the 200 period average. Instead, we broke above that level, broke above these previous levels that we did sell off from in and around this 32.20 zone. Pretty strong break, have a bit of a bull flag formation, and we do seem to have the continuation at present. So the very next level we're likely to go test is this 32.81. Seems pretty inevitable at present. If we get up to the 32.81 and prices do stall and start heading for a reverse, we'll be looking for prices to come down, possibly to 32.20. See how prices react in around there. If we do break below that, we have to be aware of the 200 period average and the 400 period average, a break of which to the downside we're looking at the very next major level in and around this 31.47 for potential support and a move back up. So if we just clean this chart up a bit, because overall, in light of the most recent momentum, we are expecting price to go up to 32.81. Beyond which, we'll be looking how prices react in around this minor pivot in around the 33.04. We might not see much of a reaction. Above which, the next major level is at 33.50. Could see price get up to 33.50, but level above it 34.29. I would expect to be too far. It's not close enough. I would imagine it'll be met on Thursday. But it's definitely a level we'll be looking at. So 33.50, we could definitely see prices move just under 100 pips up to 33.50. So it's definitely possible. Very next major level above that will be looking at 34.29. And again, if we do see a breakdown in prices, we'll definitely likely see some support in around this 31.47, in between the 31.47 and 30.93. As we have seen some buying in that zone recently. Beyond that, we'll be looking in around this 130 level, but I can't imagine price will get all the way down there. Definitely 31.47 and 39.3 would be the zones we'll be looking at. So if we do go out to the weekly time frame, see what we are. Let's get scale on here correct. I already had a little preview of the weekly time frame. So if we do get the pen on this weekly time frame, as you can see, we did find some support down there. We have been putting a case of higher lows, and we have been supported by the 20 period moving average, as you can see here. So we do look poised for a move up to this 34.29 and possibly 36.57. The overall trend is pretty clear on the chart, even though we have to be concerned about the deepness of the retracements, especially this one is to the upside. So overall we are still we do still have a bias to the upside. So if we do have a look at the daily chart just quickly, and so on this daily chart, we We're a bit more indecisive here on the daily charts due to the heaviness of the retracements. As you can see, we've had our lows there. We've had higher lows posted. We've had a high all the way up at the low of the close of the Brexit week, in around the 36.50 level, and we did have a bit of a sell-off all the way down to this 400 period moving average. We do seem to have found support in around a 30.93, and this strong candle that closed on Wednesday the 25th would indicate there's some strong buy momentum, so we'd likely see a further continuation of that momentum on the 26th of October, possibly to go on to test these highs up here in around a 33.50 level. So that should wrap up the pound USD analysis for the 26th. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.